Hello, everyone. John and I are excited to tell everyone today about our two hackathon projects. The first is a real-time data recorder. Our customers need to record their experimental results from lab instrument to Benchling. For experiments that take a while to run, usually the workflow is that the customer can start the experiments on the instrument. Once the experiment's done, they can then, using Benchling Connect, to pull and parse the results into Benchling. That workflow works well for this kind of experiments, but there are different type of experiment this workflow may not work well. These are things like measuring a weight on the balance, or maybe measuring pH through a solution, or maybe reading a DNA concentration using a spectrophotometer. These are simple, quick experiments. Customers, scientists do this many times a day. They probably don't want to type many buttons to get the data in. And in many cases, when they need to measure multiple samples, they don't want to take off their gloves to type. But if they don't document the data, they might just forget what the data it was. Benchling Connect today doesn't have a good solution to connect to this benchtop simple instrument. So what can customer do? Well, introducing the Benchling real-time data recorder. The Benchling real-time data recorder is a Benchling companion web app that records data using voice into results directly and on the go. We intentionally designed this as a separate web app because we envision that our users can use this on their phone and tablets while they are going about their day doing experiments. Finally, we see that customer is starting to gravitate toward using voice as a data input method. And this is a real story. Eli Lilly told me that because Connect today doesn't have a good connector to benchtop balance or pH meters, they're thinking of using voice as a de facto instrument connector. Using the Benchling real-time data recorder to record data is very simple. Step one, you create an entry from a template that contains a results table that automatically makes the table open for receiving data. Step two, you turn on the web app on your phone, and as you do experiment, you say the results, and the web app would record and then parse the results from your voice automatically using LLM and then push into Benchling. And step three, when you're back at the computer, the results is already in the results table. In the next slide, John will show a real demo. And for convenience, we put the web app interface side by side with Benchling notebook entry interface on the same screen. But like I mentioned, the vision is that a scientist can use the web app actually in his or her phone or tablet for making it easier for recording data.
Experiment EXP2500029, sample S00157 is 3.15, S00156 is 8.13.